Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can open a space with tabs on Workona in a new separate window. So let us dive into this. So navigate to Workona extension, for example, here on Google Chrome, for instance. And what you want to do is, there are two ways how you can open these in a new tab. So one option would be, guys, to simply switch from one space to another. So as you can see currently, this space here is open with that group of tabs here. If I click into the other space here and open it here with these tabs, as you can see, the space I just left will still be open. That's one option. The other option, guys, would be to simply, let me find that feature. You may simply, there you go, you may simply click into these three dots here next to the given space and select this option, open an additional window, or use the shortcut Control plus left click. And that's it, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we catch you later.